Hello guys, this is Oscar here. As you might have noticed, I have a lot of cooking videos that I'm doing these days. So today I bought a fry pan from Aldi. It's a non-sticky. So I'm just gonna do a review on it and just gonna cook a few stuff on it just to see how it is. Is it worth buying? This only costs $9.90 from Aldi anywhere in Australia. So if you'd like to know more about it, please check out my full video, and you can always check out my other videos as well. And I'm just gonna see how we go. If you like the video, please share it with your friends and family, and please subscribe and leave a comment below. So this is the quick look at the fry pan before I start cooking. So that's how it looks. It has a very nice wooden handle, so it won't get hot. And it's a non-sticky, and it's pretty big. I think it's perfect for saute and cooking breakfast and stuff. So yeah, if you want more information about this item, you can always go to www.aldi.com.au, and I'm just gonna cook and show a few things. I'm just gonna cook an egg, sausage, and some bread and onion on it to see how it goes. So please stick around, guys. Here you go. Let's heat it up. My burners are not that strong, so it took me nearly at least 3 to 4 minutes to heat up. Just I'm gonna add a slight touch of oil just to, even though it's non-sticky, I prefer to have a little bit of oil. So yeah, it looks good at the moment. Just gonna throw in these sausages. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. Now throwing in some onions as well. That's looking good. With some capsicum. We're just gonna make a quick breakfast. So it's looking good to me, it's cooking well. Yeah, halfway through now, they're looking good. It's taking time because I'm cooking them in a low heat, otherwise they burn. They're not sticking at all, but as you know, I've added a little bit of oil, so it's coming up really nice color. Yeah, the sausages are coming up in a good color too. There you go. Time to cook a bit of egg. Looking good. For the quick cooking. Perfectly cooked egg. Looks good. Just gonna toast some bread as well on that olive oil. I usually prefer to do it in the non-sticky pan. Toast a couple of breads, give them a beautiful color. Yeah, it's nice. It's very quick too. So it's a beautiful color. You can toast your breads as well if you don't have a toaster. So what I'm gonna say today, that for 10 bucks from Aldi, these non-sticky pans are absolutely worth of money. If you're looking to buy a pan, go to Aldi, grab them before they run out. That's only $9.90. Thanks guys for watching again. Please don't forget to subscribe.